Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is divide 3x to the power 2 minus x to the power 3 minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x to the power 2 and verify the division algorithm. So guys, let us see what we need to do and how we need to solve this division. So the given question is we need to divide. The given question is we need to divide. What we need to divide? We need to divide 3x to the power 2, 3x to the power 2 minus x to the power 3 minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x to the power 2. This is what being given in the question. So guys, as I told you earlier, we need to bring this equation to the standard form, because if you see here, the degrees of this equation are not in a standard form. Standard form in the sense the degrees of the equation should be in a decreasing order, but here these degrees of the equations are not in a particular order. Here you could see here in the first place we have the degree of the equation here is 2, and here you could see we have 3, 2, 3, and then we got 1. So this is not in a particular sequence. Similarly, the divisors also degrees are not in a particular sequence. So if you look here, the divisors degrees are also not in a particular sequence. First we have 1 and then 0 and then we have 2. So we need to first of all rearrange this given question or given equation. So what to do? Let us rearrange it, or let us bring it to the standard form. We call it as a standard form, rearranging the equations as per their degrees. As per that degrees in a decreasing order is called as a standard form of the equation. Now what I can write? I can write, in order to bring this equation to a standard form, this dividend, in order to bring this dividend to a standard form, I can write minus x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 5. Now you could see that I have rearranged this equation as per their degrees in a decreasing order. So what I got? I got minus 3x to the power, I got minus x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 5. So similarly, let us rearrange the dividend also, divisor also. So the divisor is x minus 1 minus x to the power 2. So I can write minus x to the power 2 plus x minus 1. This is what we can write. Now let me note it down so that it will be very clear. So the dividend of this equation is, what is it? Minus x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 5. Divisor, what is the divisor here? I'm writing guys so that we will not confuse. Minus x to the power 2 plus x minus 1. These are the two things that we got, and we are going to find out through our division process. We are going to find out the remainder. What is the remainder that we are going to get, and what is the quotient that we are going to get. These are the things that we are going to find out with the help of our division. Now let us move ahead quickly and do our division here. So we very well know how to divide this type of polynomials. So here the dividend is x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 5. And we are going to divide this one. With minus x to the power 2 plus x minus 1. This is what we are going to do. So let us do our division and find out the remainder and the quotient. Now you could see that here we have, here in the dividend, the first place in the dividend is minus x to the power 2, and in the first place of the divisor is minus x to the power 2. So what we need to multiply with this minus x to the power 2 so that we can get minus x to the power 3. So if I multiply x with minus x to the power 2, I will get minus x to the power 3. X into minus x to the 2 is minus x to the power 3. Then x into we are going to multiply this x with this divisor. Then x into plus x, we will get plus x to the power 2. Then x into minus 1 is minus x. This is what we got. Now, as I told you earlier, we need to change the symbols. Here it is minus x to the power 2, we will change it to plus. Here is plus x to the power 2, we will change it to minus. Here it is minus x, we will change it to plus. Now minus x to the power 3 and plus x to the power 3, it got cancelled or nullified. Plus 3x to the power 2 minus x to the power 2, we will get 2x to the power 2. Minus 3x plus x, we will get minus 2x, and then we are left with 5. So we have written it as 5 as it is. Now guys, the second thing comes to here in the dividend. The new dividend that we got here is 2x to the power 2. Here we got 2x to the power 2. Here and here we have minus, in the divisor we have minus x to the power 2. So what I should multiply to is minus x to the power 2 so that I can get 2x to the power 2. If I multiply minus 2, then let's see what I am getting. Minus 2 into minus x to the power 2, I will get plus 2x to the power 2. Minus 2 into x, I will get plus minus 2 into plus x, I will get minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1, I will get plus 2. Hope guys till here we are very clear. So I just multiplied minus 2 with this dividend, with this divisor. So I got minus 2 into minus x square, I got 2x to the power 2. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Now we are going to change these symbols. Here plus 2x to the power 2, so my symbol will be negative. Here minus 2x, my symbol will be positive. Here plus 2 minus, our symbol will be negative. So plus 2x to the power 2 minus 2x to the power 2, it cancels out. It cancels out, and we are left with minus 2x plus 2x, it also cancels out, and we are left with only 3. How? 5 minus 2 is 3. So guys, you could see that what we got a remainder of 3. You could see that we got a remainder of 3. This 3 is our remainder. This 3 is our remainder, and this x minus 2 that we got is our quotient. So these are the things that we got. One, we got remainder as 3 and the quotient is x minus 2. Now guys, the question asked us to verify. The question asked us to verify the division algorithm. The question asked us to verify the division algorithm. So now let us see how we need to verify and what is the division algorithm. The division algorithm is nothing but the result that we got here, like we got here as the remainder. The result that we got here as the remainder, that particular process we call it as the division algorithm, where this remainder is less than the divisor. If we could see that minus x to the power 2 plus x minus 1, and the remainder we got only 3. So this 3 is less than this one. So altogether this whole process we will call this one as the division algorithm. Now how to write down our division algorithm? I believe guys you very well know what is our division algorithm. Our division algorithm is nothing but dividend is equal to divisor into quotient into quotient plus remainder. This is altogether known as division algorithm. So with the help of this division algorithm, we need to verify our result, because question asked us verify the division algorithm. So let us verify. So let us verify then what we are getting. So with the help of this, we are going to verify this one. Now you will see that. Let us put our dividend is equal to divisor plus. Let us put our dividend. What is the value for dividend? We will replace, and what is the value of divisor? We are going to replace it. Now let us see what we are getting. Now guys, if you look here, we will get. If you look here, we will get the dividend is equal to dividend. The dividend here is nothing but minus x to the power 3 minus x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 5. So let us check. You could see that our dividend is minus x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 5, and divisor is minus x to the power 2 plus 3x plus x minus 1. This is the divisor that I can write is equal to minus x to the power 2 plus x minus 1 is the divisor, and quotient we got the quotient as x minus 2 plus remainder. We got the remainder as 3. Now let us solve this equation and see what we are getting. So I can write or minus x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 5 is equal to, let us multiply these two things first. What we'll get? Minus x to the power 2 into x minus x to the power 3. Minus x to the power 2 minus 2 is plus 2x to the power 2. Then plus x into x is plus x to the power 2. Then plus x into minus 2 is minus 2x. Then minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus 1 minus 2 is plus 2. And we have here plus 3. Or I can write minus x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 5 is equal to minus x to the power 3. This one will remain as it is. Then we have 2x to the power 2. 2x to the power 2 plus x to the power 2. It becomes 3x to the power 2. Then we have minus 2x minus x. It becomes minus 3x. Then we have plus 5. So guys, what we got? Let us check. We got on the left side of the equation is minus x to the power 3, right hand side also minus x to the power 3, plus 3x to the power 2, right hand side also plus 3x to the power 2, left hand side minus 3x, right hand side also minus 3x, and left hand side plus 5, right hand side also plus 5. So we can write, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence the division algorithm is verified. Hence this is verified. We can write this is verified. Hence this is verified with the help of division algorithm. We can also write with the help of division algorithm. Hope you understood this calculation or this process. But still, if you have any doubts or questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.